I am Maruli Police. I want money. I rob banks. Someone has robbed me. I am so sad. I am so angry. Please explain your situation and why you are in the court. I would like to report a robbery case. Someone has robbed me.
I wonder who robbed you.
Marley Police, you seem sus. Oh, do I? Do I? Do I? Yes, you do. You seem sus. If you rob me, I'm gonna choke you. Prime subject. Kedavra. I've just seen camera footage. I saw you robbing him, Marley Police. Wait, where did he go? It's okay, I killed him. It's all fine now. What a day, what a day. I've seen too much.
They think I died. What losers? They're so dumb. I'm going to kill him now. I'm so happy I killed you. I'm Missile Maruli. No, help.
Marley Palace haps on his ice cream and rides away in victory. He's enjoying his victory and rides away.